So this is a hard level SAT question from geometry. We're going to see how to solve this in under a minute. So let's see what is given. So they've given circle A. So that is equation x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y equal to 0. And then there is circle B. So it might look something like that. And we have to find which of the following points lies inside circle B and outside circle A. So it might look something like that. So the point right here, which is inside circle B and outside circle A. So we had to figure out the coordinates of that point. So there are two different ways that we can approach this question. So one is using the equations of a circle, and the other one is using Desmos. So which is the quickest and easiest way to solve this question? Because on SAT you have access to Desmos, and you can do many questions within a few seconds using this Desmos. Let's make use of that. So I'm going to bring my Desmos screen up here and show you how we can quickly solve this question. Okay, so we have the Desmos screen up here. Now the only thing you have to do is input the equations of the circles, which is x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y equal to 0. That's the first circle, circle A. So there we go, little circle right here. And the second one is circle B, which is x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 6y minus 2 equal to 0. So now here we have two circles. Now we're going to label the coordinates, label the points right here in the answer choices. The first one is -4, 4. So we're going to write it as an ordered pair. -4, comma 4. And now label it so that we know which one is -4, 4. So the second one is -9, 2. -9, 2. And label that. And now you have third one, which is 0, 7, 0, comma 7, label that. And then lastly, we have -3 and 10. -3, comma 10, and label that. So now here you can see 4 points. And the only thing we have to look at is which is the point which is outside circle A and inside circle B. And that seemed like this one. So this one right here, -4, 4, which is inside circle A. And you look at this, the last point, -3, 10, which is outside both the circles. If you look at 0 and 7, where is 0 and 7? Well, I cannot see clearly, but that seemed like here. Somewhere which is outside circle B. So the only one which is inside circle B and outside circle A is -9, 2. So our answer choice is -9, 2. So it took me more than a minute to explain this all. If you're doing it yourself, it's going to take you less than a minute. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.